Hello student, welcome to our channel. Today we'll discuss our different type of chemical names and their formulas. In quiz base, we collect top MCQ for your competitive exams. So first question is that what is the common name for sodium bicarbonate? सोडियम क्या होता है वो बेकिंग सोडा होता है. Next question, the chemical formula for water, that's H2O. What is the chemical name of washing soda? क्या होता है वो सोडियम कार्बोनेट. That's Na2NO3. Okay. And next question is, which of the following is the formula for sulfuric acid, also known as the king of chemicals? That H2O. Okay. Laughing gas has the chemical formula. Laughing gas क्या होता है वो होता है N2O, that's nitrous oxide. It has anesthetic and analgesic effects. Next question, what is the chemical name for common salt, table salt? वो क्या होता है common table salt होता है sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, that's NaCl. Bleaching powder is the chemically known as, bleaching powder क्या होता है calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride, that's formula is CaOCl2. It's also known as calcium hypochlorite. Okay, calcium hypochlorite. Next question, the chemical formula for methane, the main component of natural gas, that's CH4. Okay. What is the chemical name for caustic soda? caustic soda क्या होता है वो होता है sodium hydroxide, caustic soda. Dry ice is the solid form of which gas? वो होता है carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay. Next question, which acid is found in vinegar? That's acetic acid. Next question, the chemical formula of hydrochloric acid, that's HCl. Next question, milk of magnesia used as an antacid is chemically क्या होता है magnesium hydroxide होता है, magnesium hydroxide. What is the chemical name of the acid present in lemons and orange? That's कौन सा citric acid रहता है. The formula for nitric acid वो क्या होते हैं HNO3. Next question, select lime has the chemical formula क्या होता है select lime, that's calcium hydroxide. And quick lime is a CO, calcium oxide. Next, the acid produced in the human stomach to aid digestion is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Which of the following is a strong base? Strong base कौन सा होता है KOH, potassium hydroxide. Next question, the chemical name of quick lime क्या होता है क्विक लाइम का केमिकल है कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड होता है. व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ एस्प्रिन? दैट्स एसिटाइल सैलिसाइक्लिक एसिड. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बॉक्साइट इज एन ओर ऑफ व्हिच मेटल? बॉक्साइट और ऑफ व्हिच मेटल? दैट्स एल्यूमिनियम. क्या होता है एक्चुअली एल्यूमिनियम क्या होता है एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड डाई हाइड्राइड, that means 2H2O. Okay. Hematite is an important ore of iron. कौन सा आयरन होता है. Cinnabar is the main ore of which elements? It's mercury. कौन सा mercury. Galena is an ore of, galena कौन सा होता है वो lead का होता है lead. The chemical formula for gypsum is, जिसमें कौन सा होता है कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड 2H2O. Okay, that's calcium sulfate, calcium sulfate dihydrate. What is the chemical composition of plaster of Paris? प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस का क्या होता है? कैल्शियम सल्फेट हेमीहाइड्रेट, कैल्शियम सल्फेट हेमीहाइड्रेट. Next question, which of the following is the formula for calamine, an ore of zinc? वो क्या होते हैं? जिंक कार्बोनेट, जिंक कार्बोनेट. मार्बल, लाइमस्टोन एंड चॉक आर ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ, क्या होता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. द केमिकल फार्मूला फॉर क्वार्ट्स इज, दैट्स mineral compound, that is silicon dioxide, silicon dioxide. Pyrolusite is an ore of which metal? That's manganese. The monomer of polyvinyl chloride, that PVC, what is that? That's vinyl chloride, vinyl chloride. Which of the following is the chemical formula of benzene? C6H6. Ethanol, commonly known as drinking alcohol, has the formula of, ethanol का फार्मूला क्या होता है? वो होता है C2H5OH, ethanol. Next question, what is the chemical name of vitamin C? विटामिन C का क्या होता है? वो होता है ascorbic acid. The simplest sugar, glucose, has the chemical formula. ग्लूकोज का क्या होता है? C6H12O6. Tear gas used by police typically contains which chemical? Tear gas. That's chloroacetophenone, chloroacetophenone. The chemical formula of chloroform, used as a solvent and formerly anesthetic, that is CHCl3. Chloroform is that trichloromethane, trichloromethane. What is the chemical name for vitamin D? विटामिन डी chemical name क्या होता है? वो होते हैं calciferol, calciferol. Which of the following is known as wood spirit? wood spirit का क्या होता है? That's methanol. Okay. Next, the chemical name for vitamin A. विटामिन ए का chemical name क्या होता है? Retinol. Which gas is responsible for the depletion of ozone layer? ओजोन लेयर का मतलब कौन सा गैस मतलब ये रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है? वो होता है क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, CFC. दस क्या डिस्ट्रॉय करता है? O3, ओजोन लेयर को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है. The formula for ozones is O3. Heavy water used in nuclear reactors has the formula, क्या होता है? D2O. That's deuterium oxide, deuterium oxide. That's deuterium. What is that? Deuterium is the isotope of hydrogen with one proton, one neutron. Okay. The chemical formula for potassium permanganate, a strong oxidizing agent, is KMnO4. KMnO4. Blue vitriol is the common name for blue vitriol. वो क्या होता है? Copper to sulfate. That means copper sulfate. Okay. Next one, what is the chemical name for green vitriol? ग्रीन विट्रियल क्या होता है? वो होता है फेरस सल्फेट. क्या होता है? फेरस सल्फेट. द केमिकल फार्मूला फॉर फॉस्फाइन गैस नॉन फॉर इट्स फिशी स्मेल, कौन सा होता है? वो होता है PH3. दैट मीन्स फॉस्फाइन क्या होता है? फॉस्फाइन इट्स ऑल टाइप ऑफ कलरलेस, फ्लेमेबल एंड हाईली टॉक्सिक गैस. What is the chemical formula of silica gel, a common dehiscent? That is SiO2, then silicon dioxide. Next one, the compound used in photographic film is silver bromide, सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड, जो कि फोटोग्राफिक फिल्म के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। एक्वा रेजिया इज ए हाईली कोरोसिव मिक्सचर ऑफ एक्वा रेजिया, that is concentration HCl and concentration HNO3. Okay, next question. What is the chemical name of Epsom? That is magnesium sulfate. The chemical formula for ammonia is the NH3. Okay. What is the chemical name for vitamin B1? Vitamin B1 क्या होता है? Thiamine. क्या होता है? Thiamine. The formula C12H2211O11 that is sucrose. क्या होता है? Sucrose होता है. Which of the following is also known as Mars gas? Mars gas क्या होता है? वो होता है मीथेन. Okay. The chemical formula for carbon monoxide, that is CO, carbon monoxide. What is the chemical name for borax? बोरस का chemical name क्या होता है? वो होता है सोडियम टेट्राबोरेट डेकाहाइड्रेट. सोडियम टेट्राबोरेट डेकाहाइड्रेट, that means Na2B4O7. Okay, 1 10 H2O, that is sodium tetraborate decahydrate. What is the chemical name for vitamin E? Chemical name vitamin E क्या होता है? Tocopherol. क्या होता है? Tocopherol. The chemical used as fixture of photography. फोटोग्राफी फिक्सर करने लिए कौन सा काम करते हैं? सोडियम थायोसल्फेट, that is Na2S2O3, सोडियम थायोसल्फेट. Next question. Magnetite, a major iron ore, has the formula that's Fe3O4. Fe3O4, magnetite. That's next question. Talc, the subtest non-mineral is a hydrate, that is magnesium silicate. That is Mg3Si4O10 OH2. The chemical name for caustic potash. caustic potash क्या होता है? वो होता है पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. KOH. The formula of hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, hydrogen peroxide. What is the chemical name for vitamin B12? vitamin B12 क्या होता है? riboflavin. क्या होता है? riboflavin. Okay, its main work is that energy production and cellular function in जो एनर्जी क्रिएट करते हैं और सेलुलर फंक्शन काम करते हैं. कौन? रिबोफ्लाविन, दैट्स विटामिन B2. ओके. व्हिच ऑफ दिस इज नॉन एज फिलोसोफर वूल? फिलोसोफर क्या होता है? जिंक ऑक्साइड. द केमिकल नेम ऑफ लोनर कॉस्टिक क्या होता है? वो सिल्वर नाइट्रेट, AgNO3. द केमिकल फार्मूला फॉर एसिटिक एनहाइड्रेट क्या होता है? वो होता है CH3CO2O, एसिटिक एनहाइड्रेट. ओके. व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम फॉर विटामिन B12? विटामिन B12, दैट इज कैबलामिन. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द केमिकल फार्मूला फॉर शुगर ऑफ लेड इज Pb, that is CH3CO2, लेड. ओके, इसका नाम क्या होता है? लेड एसीटेट. व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम ऑफ वाइट बेट्रियल? केमिकल नेम क्या होता है? जिंक सल्फेट. द केमिकल नेम ऑफ ऑयल ऑफ बेट्रियल, दैट इज कौन सा होता है? वो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. क्या होता है? सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. Next question. What is the formula of hypochlorous acid, the active sanitizer in bleach solution? क्या होता है वो? HClO, HClO, that means hypochlorous acid. Next question, the chemical name for vitamin K is phyloquinone. Phyloquinone. What is the chemical formula for silicon carbene? An abrasive, also known as carbondum. Okay, वो क्या होता है? SiC, that means silicon carbide. Silicon carbide. The chemical formula for phosgene, or a poisonous gas, is COCl2, that means phosphogen, COCl2. The chemical name for formalin is a solution of formaldehyde in water. Okay. The chemical name of muriatic acid. Muriatic acid, that is what? Hydrochloric acid. Muriatic acid is also old name for hydrochloric acid. Muriatic acid still is used in some industrial and household context. What is the chemical formula for hydrazine, a component of rocket fuel? Rocket fuel कहते हैं N2H4. N2H4 the hydrazine. The main chemical compounds of pearls is calcium carbonate. What is the chemical formula for butane, commonly used in lighter and portable stoves? That is C4H10. The chemical name for Russell salt used in laxative is also known as, that is potassium sodium tetrate. Potassium sodium tetrate. What is the chemical formula for hydrogen sulfide, the gas that smell like rotten eggs? That H2O, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Which of the following is the formula for potassium dichromate, a commonly oxidizing agent? Thus K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. TNT is also a well-known explosive. What does its name stand for? TNT का मतलब क्या होता है? Trinitrotolerance. Okay. Next question, the chemical name for cream of tartar. Cream of tartar क्या होता है? वो potassium bitartrate. What is the chemical formula of nitrous acid? HNO2, nitrous acid. The chemical name for vermilion, a brilliant red pigment, is mercury sulfite. What is the chemical formula for phosphoric acid used in soft drink and fertilizers? Phosphoric acid वो क्या होता है? H3PO4. Phosphoric acid, that's mineral acid used to add a tangy or sour taste to Coca-Cola drink. Phosphoric acid. Which of this is the formula for carbon disulfide and industrial solvent? CH2. Okay. Next question, the chemical name for ethers is lead oxide. क्या होता है? lead oxide, PbO. What is the chemical formula for sal and ammoniac? क्या होता है? Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Sal ammoniac, that is old name ammonium chloride. The chemical name for calomel, what is name? That is mercury chloride. Calomel is common name for mercury chloride, which has historically used for medicine. Calomel, that is mercury chloride. Which gas is produced when metals react with acid? Hydrogen gas. The chemical formula for propane used in BBQ grills. That is C3H8. Propane is 3-carbon alkane with the chemical formula C3H8. An alloy of mercury with another metal is also known as amalgam. Okay, that is mercury mixing metal, amalgam. द केमिकल नेम फॉर मिल्क शुगर मीन्स क्या होता है लैक्टोस, क्या होता है लैक्टोस. व्हाट इज द केमिकल नेम फॉर हाइपो यूज इन फोटोग्राफी. ओके फोटोग्राफी क्या होता है सोडियम थायोसल्फेट. द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ सोडियम पेरोक्साइड, sodium peroxide that is Na2O2. The chemical name of muriate of potash used in fertilizer, that's potassium chloride. Muriate of potash. Last question in this video, what is the chemical formula for carbonic acid formed when CO2 carbon dioxide dissolved in water, that's H2CO3. Okay, thank you for choosing this video, and like and share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.